Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop, and this is a deck walkthrough of the Calandra Tarot. It was developed by Michael Calandra, hence the name Calandra Tarot, and the guidebook has been written by Trish Sullivan. It's the same size as the cards. At the beginning, you've got an introduction, the descriptions, and how to use the cards as a spread at the end. Now, there is a self-awareness exploration spread at the very end, at the back of the book, and there are 2 additional cards. It's Rider-Waite based, so it should be very familiar to Rider-Waite students. Right, okay. He at the very beginning explains, you know, how the deck worked for him, why he developed it in the first place. Then you have all of the different ones. There is actually the 2 cards, the 2 new cards in this book. It does tell you, if I can find it. There we go. The 2 new cards. So he's written in here, or she's written in here rather, what their intentions are. You can read them independently, as in add them in, and then just read them as part of a spread. Or you can use a combination of having them as together like this. You can see that you've got the as above, so below in the center. So you just pop them on that. If I wanted to do a really deep spiritual dive, I would probably put these 2 cards together as significators, if you like, really, and then read around it. You could probably make your own spread with this. And then you've got the spread at the end of it, and that self-exploration spread, and these. So let's have a look at the cards. It's a standard box from US Games. You get the cards and the book inside. Pop that to one side. The backs they're glossy, as you can see, so we'll just put them in the light, in the right place. Pop the book to one side too, or I'll drop it on the floor. Why not? Okay, so I did take a brief look at them earlier. I'm not quite personally so keen on the eyes, but they've got that glazed over look, but there's a spiritual message behind that, I'm sure. So you've got all of the key elements are in the cards. They feel quite intuitive, don't they? They do to me. There's quite a lot going on within the cards. Crumbs. I'd love to know what you think. I do struggle when they don't put the E in judgment, but that's just a personal thing. The world. And then we go into the suits. So you've got, those were the majors. Then you've got the money set, or the pentacles. This is the Apprentice card. That's the card that's on the front of the deck. Very, very interesting that he's used a chain as well, because the chains are tying this person down. It's a very interesting interpretation of the card. I'm not getting the light on there, no. page. Okay, and then you have the swords. This is a card you have to let go. It's the hurt. Interesting, because you normally only see the other side of that. This is almost like after tarot, isn't it? You see the... Gosh, look at the action in the Knight of Swords, because that is a very good representation of the energy within that card. I'm coming. Yet there's no stopping me. Okay, then wands. It's a close-up of the traditional Rider-Waite. We've got to wait for our ship to come back. So he's put the letter on the cup. Okay, so then this is the as above, so below. You see, these are the two additional cards. Okay, so that is the Calandra Tarot. Lovely little deck by Michael Calandra. Do let me know what you think in the comments. And thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.